Alright guys, so New Year's Eve, we heading on a cruise. I got my sticker too.
Yeah, well, we got a sticker. Now we are going to the cruise. It's called Meridian Cruise.
And we upgraded. We got the jacuzzi.
Really?
So guys, we are at Khao San Road now. I gotta put all this together. You guys are gonna see a pretty quick flash of all the stuff that I shot over the last 2 days. I don't really know how to organize it, and I haven't been cutting out things, so sorry guys. You're just gonna have to look at the pictures all around. Normally Khao San Road would be pretty packed up, but there's nothing happening here right now. But they fixed the road for sure. This is new. No?
I don't think so. Before there's a lot of people in Khao San Road. It's very crowded. So
you just don't see. Yeah, you don't see the floor. You don't see the ground. This is the first time I'm seeing the ground really, because there's too many people here. So when you walk around, and I don't come here much, so I don't really know.
Welcome to Khao San Road.
This show is all about you now. I said this show is all about you now, because I don't have my GoPro with me at home.
Yeah.
So you be our host.
I just like to shop, you know, like window shopping.
I think I'm gonna get this right here.
Oh, really?
Yeah. I mean this girl. มีทอดดำมีทอดดำไหมกะทิข้าวเหนียวทอดดำไม่ใช่
It's not the place for
ไม่ oh okay
It's a soy yellow bean.
oh yellow bean
Soy milk.
soy milk oh no นางชามด้วยกัน